Now let us see he is handling chemicals also. Under chemical, he is having solvents. Let's solvent if you want to select. At this stage, click on plus. The solvent have been added. Now he is also into some other. I'm randomly selecting something. Create services advertising. So advertising agency services also he's supplying. OK. Click on OK. Now 2 categories of item he's supplying. So this is also important whenever someone is searching for this vendor with this particular category. This supplier will be available. So that is the reason. So, whatever the product he's supplying, he has to enter in his locations where he can able to ship to. Either if he can ship to the entire world or he can ship to particular region also. So, for example, let's take Asia. I want to select for all South Asia. He will be supplying it. Maybe out of these countries. If you want to remove something, you can remove also. Removing some. Click on OK. Now he has to agree the terms, create an account and continue. Just one text box, zip code 16319. We need to find out Alabama zip code. If supplier is having any doubt at this stage, generally it is the responsibility of he has to contact Ariba support and get these issues clarified. We have noticed that there may already be an Ariba network account registered by your company. Please review before you create a new account. So this is again. It is giving check whether the supplier is already created. Review account. Skip review. I don't want to know. This is a new one. Okay, yes, and he completed. He created an account. You can see on the top it is showing. Go back to Madame Curie dashboard. So that means an establishment has already happened between this vendor and this vendor, but this